Hi and welcome to Qlik Fix. This video will demonstrate how to resolve the insufficient privileges error when downloading script logs. In any Qlik Sense system, content administrators have the rights to perform several actions. In this example, user 1 has been assigned content administrator rights. You can see the content admin role for user 1 here. Content admins should be able to go to the Tasks section in the QMC. Here are some tasks. By clicking on the information icon, you can see more details about that task and download the script log. If you get this error, the operation failed due to insufficient privileges, this is an issue that you might encounter if you've upgraded Qlik Sense June 2019 or later. To fix this, in the QMC, go to Security Rules, find the Content Admin Security rule, and edit it. Under Resource Filters, add the filter File Reference and apply. Once that rule has been updated, we go back into Tasks. The user 1 as a content administrator should now be able to click on the information icon for the task and download the task log. I hope this helped. If you'd like more information, search for answers using the Unified Search tool on the support portal. It searches across the support knowledge base, Qlik Community, Qlik Help Site, and Qlik YouTube channels. Take advantage of the expertise of peers, product experts, and technical support engineers by asking a question in a Qlik product forum on Qlik Community. And don't forget to subscribe to the Support Updates blog. Thanks for watching. Nailed it.